Hi guys, it's Drew here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm looking at the Muzen Wild Mini Bluetooth speaker. So let's have a look. As you can see, it's incredibly well packaged in this really tough ABS plastic case. It looks fantastic and the build quality is superb. Underneath this foam insert you have the instructions, and there's a micro USB cable as well for charging the device. To turn it on, you simply hold this button down for a couple of seconds and it makes this funky noise. Because it's got an all-metal casing, it does feel quite hefty. It weighs 248 grams, which is 8.7 ounces. Now, it's not waterproof, but it's definitely weatherproof. It has an IPX rating of 5, which means that it can deal with rain no problem. Just don't go submersing it in anything. If you want to find out a bit more about it, I'll have a link to the item in the description down below, so please check it out. As always, take care.